We're both crazy and stupid. Remember Bruneo? Where we said, I don't know if we actually said we would never do a sand hike again, but we did say this was awful and we would never do that particular hike again. Well, we are in, as you know, well, near Great Sand Dunes National Park. And we're gonna do not only a sand hike, but a hike to the highest peak in the park.
Second highest.
Because when we're here, we can't just let that go. Even though we know it's gonna be painful and a royal pain, literally. The views at the top are supposed to be spectacular. Of course, we're bringing our camera equipment, so.
We're gonna go up for sunset.
Yeah, it's like 3:30. So we're giving ourselves plenty of time to make our way up. I'm not gonna rush this, but we're gonna do it. Right when we press the record button, the wind picks up.
Maybe halfway there?
Yeah.
We've been pelted by sand. It's super windy, but the breeze actually feels good.
Yeah, it's really a brutal, sucky, like horrible, just horrible hike. But the payoff is right up there.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Not just right up there, but a long way up there. That way though.
A divot. I don't know if you can hear me, but we found a divot to eat in, and it's not quite as windy. We're not getting like sandblasted.
Going down so much easier than going up. Just gonna say that, which is not always the case, by the way. That's not always the case.
But yeah, going down's fun.
In the sand, going down is fun. On a trail, I hate going downhill because it's so high impact on my knees and ankles. But in the sand, you just run down.
Bare feet.
It's fun. Hi guys. Man, that was brutal.
That was brutal.
Ugh.
The wind was pretty ridiculous, which really felt good because it was pushing us up on the way up. But it made the way down sandblasted, and we really couldn't film it at the top anywhere because, again, we were getting completely sandblasted and the cameras were getting sandblasted.
Yeah, I would have recorded more and took more photographs that I would have put here, but there's nothing there because I couldn't take the camera out at the top because it was just way too windy. Sand was getting in my equipment. I didn't want to ruin the equipment just to get a shot and then have to pay
I think we got
$300 to replace my camera.
We got something for Instagram on the phone, so we'll maybe put that in here. And we did, luckily, take the GoPro in its protective case, so that did stay out. So hopefully some of that video turned out well.
Yeah, we had to go over to the GoPro. GoPro, you could put that thing anywhere, and it'll be just fine because it's in its case. But
so our original, oh, go ahead.
You're hearing a lot of complaining right now, but
We
you know
did
what?
it!
It is exactly what we expected.
Yes.
It was brutal
And
but
awesome.
Awesome at the top.
So glad we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was like close to 600 feet. I don't remember how
And
many
you
miles.
felt every foot.
Yeah, yeah. Though running back down with our shoes off was a lot of fun.
That was fun.
We were going to stay up there for sunset, but it's really clouding up, one. It was super windy, too, and we got up there much faster than we thought, 3. And so we were like, no, we'll just go back down, and we'll go back to the Airstream, and we'll see girls.
And that's what we're gonna do now.